Hello everyone. In today's videos, we will be discussing the top 5 best mini chainsaws $50 available on the market. The list has been curated based on features, prices, quality, durability, and the reputation of the manufacturers. If you are looking for an affordable and reliable best mini chainsaws $50, this video will guide you through some great options. Number 1. Cesar Mini Chainsaw Cordless 6-inch. Our lightweight battery chainsaw, just 2.62 pounds, is perfect for one-handed use without fatigue. Easy for beginners. Its cordless design ensures portability in small spaces. Our mini cordless chainsaw comes with 2-pack 2.0 batteries and a fast charger for extended usage. Equipped with self-overload and temperature protection, these rechargeable batteries ensure a longer lifespan. The battery chainsaw comes fully assembled. Simply adjust tightness with the provided wrench. No separate chain installation needed, but monitor chain tension and watch our video for guidance. Cesar's mini chainsaw, with its powerful motor and dual batteries, effortlessly slices through 5.91-inch logs in just 8 seconds. Perfect for wood cutting, pruning, and gardening, it offers unmatched portability and speed compared to traditional chainsaws. This chainsaw is not only a practical tool but also a thoughtful gift for husbands or fathers, making it the perfect Father's Day present. Our 24/7 friendly customer support ensures you're worry-free post-purchase. If you're unsatisfied with our Cesar Mini Chainsaw 6-inch cordless or have any questions, reach out anytime. Our experts respond within 12 hours, dedicated to resolving your concerns for a confident purchase experience. Number 2. Ace Boy Mini Cordless Chainsaw 6-inch. Weighing just 2.42 pounds, this cordless chainsaw is designed for effortless one-handed operation. Perfect for anyone seeking a lightweight yet powerful tool for trimming branches, pruning shrubs, or tackling DIY projects. This chainsaw is equipped with a state-of-the-art brushless motor, delivering superior performance and efficiency compared to traditional brushed motors. Enjoy increased power, longer runtime, and reduced maintenance. The included 2000 mAh battery provides up to 30-45 minutes of continuous use, and an extra battery ensures you can keep working without interruption. Plus, the rapid charger gets you back in action quickly. This electric cordless chainsaw has a safety lock button, activated before the motor, to avoid accidental starts. Its guard opens at 90 degrees, shielding users from flying wood chips. Included: chainsaw, 2 batteries, 2 chains, charger, screwdriver, guide plate, work gloves, storage box, oil bottle, and user manual. Our mini chainsaw passes rigorous quality checks before shipping. Should you face any issues, we provide free refunds or replacements. Number 3. Pektuk Mini Chainsaw Cordless 6-inch. The motor is the heart of a chainsaw. Pektuk electric chainsaw equipped 700 watts high-power pure copper motor that drives the chain to chop at a high speed of 34.5 feet/s. That makes it easy and fast to cut a branch or log. Only takes about 10 seconds to cut a log with a diameter of 6 inches, greatly saving your time and energy. Our chainsaw weighs only 2.2 pounds, small in size, not scary like a large chainsaw. It's comfortable to hold, can be used with one hand and not easy to fatigue for long-term use. Cordless chainsaw comes fully assembled and after charging it was ready to use. The compact size allows reaching into difficult areas, especially suitable for women and the elderly. Number 4. Seika 550 watts Mini Chainsaw. Seika Mini Chainsaw adapts a high-quality guide chain that has undergone a deep quenching process to ensure smooth cutting. In addition, a pure copper motor is used, which is very powerful. Cutting efficiency is higher and faster. Provides your tool with longer runtime, more torque, and more power, which leads to less wear and tear, extending the lifetime of the mini chainsaw. Seika Mini Chainsaw weighs only 1.1 kilograms, including battery, and has a total length of 4 inches. Seika cordless mini chainsaw can be used with one hand, and it is not easy to get tired after long-term use. It is very suitable for family and temporary work. Even the elderly can easily control it. The Seika Mini electric chainsaw is equipped with a 20 volts 1500 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, which can be used for a long time. Charging at any time, convenient and fast. If you do not use it for a long time, please remember to fully charge the battery first, for a better experience the next time you use it. The safety lock must be pressed before starting using mini chainsaw cordless, and then small chainsaw is used while pressing the trigger, so there is no need to worry about accidental injury. Small and convenient, quick and easy to assemble. Just need 1 minute for all installed. Smart Seika handheld chainsaw is also convenient for women. Number 5. Dodgem 800 watts mini chainsaw. With a new technology motor, this mini chainsaw cordless delivers efficient and reliable performance. The pure copper motor gives your tool longer runtime. High torque is powerful and delivers exceptional strength and speed, so you can tackle tough cutting tasks with ease. Removable and rechargeable cordless mini saw 20V 2000 mAh lithium batteries only take about 2 hours to charge and provide longer battery life with self-overload and temperature protection. When hand chainsaw battery operated out of battery, the backup battery can be replaced. Sharp chip technology and high-quality battery gear to ensure efficient cutting. The mini rechargeable chainsaw 19.2 feet/s super high chain speed can cut through a 6 inches thick branch in only 8 seconds. Can be used for forest cutting, cutting wood, pruning branches, gardening and so on. The electric chainsaw battery powered comes with a safety switch and 100-degree splash guard baffle. Battery chainsaw protection plate function includes 5 types of overcharge, undervoltage, overcurrent, short circuit, temperature protection. It has a long lifespan and undergone strict quality testing before being sent to you. The pocket chainsaw is already installed when it arrives. Just plug in the battery and use it. Cordless mini chainsaw is lightweight at only 2.5 pounds, making it very portable for one-handed use. Women and the elderly can also easily control and use it.